What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on INJ because this coin is pumping like crazy for the past couple of months, and you can see that from this low to this high we have here a pump around 1822%. So in this video I will tell you if in my opinion there is a high probability that we are gonna break the current all-time high, which is on the $25.3 mark, and if the price is going higher, so if there is like another opportunity to open a long position. So if you're interested about my exact strategy and my exact trades, definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to ask you, if you like my videos and you like my analysis, I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under the video, because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So yeah, thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the weekly time frame. Right now, in my opinion, there are not good opportunities for opening both long and short trades, but don't worry, in this video I will show you the exact setups that I'm currently watching here. And let's start with the long scenarios on the weekly time frame. To enter a long position, I am watching here two scenarios. The first one will be valid after breakout and support confirmation above the current all-time high level, and the second one will be after a support confirmation above this support area, which is between levels 19.82 and 19.13, which is the current all-time high if we are counting the candle closing on the weekly time frame. Let's start with the first long scenario. As I said, I would enter the long position after a support confirmation above this support area, but yeah, the support confirmation needs to be really perfect. Stop loss in that case I would put under this support area and also under this current low, so let's say level approximately 18.93, so it will be estimated loss around 5.3%, which is a really small stop loss if we are like taking a trade on the weekly time frame. The last take profit targets I would probably, let's say, put under this current all-time high, because this will be really important resistance. There is higher, let's say, probability of the liquidity grab. So yeah, this will be probably the main take profit target. So in this case, you are like watching your risk reward ratio around 4.9, which is in my opinion pretty good, because also there are no other important resistances, so you can take only one take profit target. So yeah, in the end the risk reward ratio will be around 5. Also, of course, you can only take here, let's say, a small portion of the profit that you can move your stop loss to entry, so you can turn your profitable position into a loss and then save some of the profits to the price discovery phase. Of course, you can do that, but in my opinion, more, let's say, better way to trade this will be close the whole position under this resistance, then wait for a breakout, support confirmation, and then open another long trade. So let's now take a look on this trade. The main issue with this trade is to where to put the stop loss, because as I said, on the weekly time frame we don't have here any important resistances, which also mean we don't have here any important support. So yeah, of course, let's say the logical way will be to put it the stop loss under this support area, but then the risk reward ratio is not gonna be good. So yeah, just keep in mind that you can get liquidated, but there is simply not a good level where you can put your stop loss. And if you want to take a look on the possible take profit targets, this is the same issue, because as I said, we will be in the price discovery phase, which means that price never been there historically. So again, we don't have here any important supports, any important resistances. So personally, I would probably aim here for a risk reward ratio, let's say 8 to 10. If you want to aim here, let's say, for a risk reward ratio around, let's say, 10, and you will have like 7.59% stop loss, then you need to have, let's say, around 75% of a net profit to have risk reward ratio 10. I hope you understand what I'm saying. And if you want to have, let's say, worse risk reward ratio, of course the trade will be then less risky. To summarize this trade, in my opinion, there is simply not a good advice where exactly you should put the stop loss, where exactly you should put the take profit targets. But if you will manage to get good risk reward ratio, it will be a good setup. Maybe some of you are want to open here instead of a long position. You are, for example, thinking about shorting this coin. In my opinion, the best opportunity or the best setup will be valid after breakout, fake out, and then resistance confirmation under this current week high, so under level 25.30. So if the market will look, let's say, something like this, and then there will be like a resistance confirmation, stop loss in that case I would put above the high that we will create after a breakout. So let's say it can look something like this. Some of the profits I would definitely take above this first support area and then above this second area. Of course, you can for example speculate that we will hit this, let's say, lowest support area, then you will have, let's say, risk reward ratio around 13. But in my opinion, reaching this lower area is not that possible in the long run. So maybe it will be better to just focus on these two support levels, which will give you still risk reward ratio 8.6, which is, in my opinion, pretty good. Maybe you are asking if there are currently a good opportunities for opening some trades on the 4-hour chart. But you can see that on the 4-hour chart, this coin is simply pumping right now. So maybe you want to open here like a long position after there will be like a pullback, support confirmation of this support area, or if there will be like a breakdown resistance confirmation, you can, for example, speculate here for, let's say, something like this, like the short trade after resistance confirmation. Stop loss you will put above this support, then the last take profit target you will put above this second support area. So yeah, this is the setups that you can watch on the 4-hour chart. But in my opinion, the main things that are currently happening on this coin are happening on that weekly time frame, because simply we are trying to break here the all-time high. So it's making sense that we need to discuss here a long-term scenarios. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. If you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group where I am sharing the analysis every single day. But yeah, this will be all from me for today. Thank you again everybody for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.